Omushomogo abakazi baashabwa kukoresa abanyamakuru kurwanirira bariko rubatirira obugabe bwabo okugamba habashija bariko batuntuza hamwe na n'obutabanguko bw'omu maka.
There's domestic violence, there's also early marriages, girl child pregnancies. The women should be able to advocate for these issues even in council so that they are able to budget, do agenda budgeting to help address some of these issues that affect our communities.
Kandi bagaruka batwegesa ngo twakwatagana n'abanyamahurire ntushoronzi yaje mirimo yitu kandi n'abanyamahurire nibashoronzi yaje mirimo yabo kuba ntari nkwatanisa hagati y'abebembezi n'abanyamahurire.
Abana b'ekitongole cy'abakazi abari mu makuru echa Uganda Women in Media Association.
Promote the gender balance. The gender balance is we are saying if we are at home, the man should wash and the woman should also do what? Wash. If it means to mop, when I'm mopping, then for you are cooking.
Bamwe mu bakazi hamwe n'abanyamakuru abayita bo mushomogo bagamba bimwe habizibe bari kuvuga no mu kwandika ahanshonge ziri kuteganisa abakazi kandi basima umushomogo.
Omushomogo abamurundi gwati bwunjira kandi gwatoreka ebitushemeye kubantu kora nk'abacyara kureba abacyara nitabe makubaganye
kandi kintu kwenda kusaba abasaija muleke kura mutimire. We are just still women because no sango bwiro bwingi abakazi bako bali empowered abasaija nibenengere bakutinamu ngo twabasige nyuma, but we are just trying to take baby steps towards you because you mutahayo kuli and for us we have never complained.
Abakazi aba bicerizana kutaho enkoregana nunje n'abanyamakuru na no kubahwera mu kurwanirira karya abakazi na n'umwana w'umwisho mu Uganda.
Umwa yatwegesaje ngo abebembeza abakazi tushemeye kureka kwetina tureba abanyamahurire nk'abantu barunji kandi tubahereze cyenyine kibabuza bakubuza kintu kiranshongeje yenyine yibabuza utajire kwato kunoko.
Ahabwa TV West ndi Elias Artugusa.